famous. Let's become a pop star.
Hi, hello, my name is Emily and I will be your hairstylist today. How can I help you?
Hi, I would like my hair to look like a pop star way. Can you surprise me with a color?
Of course.
Wow, I love it so much. Thank you.
Of course. Yeah, and
I need pop star accessories now. Wow, these purple glasses and this purple coat are perfect. Okay, now I need to go home and record a TikTok. La, la, la. This looks perfect. Let's post it. Hey, pop star, you really need an assistant. Well, let's go find one.
can I have change?
No, I don't have any, but if you become my assistant, I will give you $100 a day. Okay. OMG! My TikTok went viral. I have to perform this on stage. La, la, la.
Can I have an autograph?
Oh, yes, queen. And now you've become a pop star. Hope this helps.